Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to draw side view. So this is what I'm gonna show you, and I will teach you how to draw it. So if you are a beginner, then it will be tough for you to draw it. So if you want to know how to draw it step by step, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So let's start it. So at first what you have to gonna do is draw a circle like this. Do it with a soft hand. Draw a circle like this. If it's not a perfect, then it's fine. You will learn it day by day, so don't worry. So here is it. This is it. This is the circle. Now next you have to draw a line like this, like this. This is the head, and this is the line where you have to draw the nose and the lips. Where is it, the line? Then you have to do is draw lines like this. Like this. Here you will draw the nose, and there will be lips and ear. Here we are gonna draw the ear. This is just a basic. I'm not drawing in details. I'll draw in details, but first you have to draw the basic. You have to draw the shape like this. Now we have to draw the eye. At first draw a triangle like this. Then draw a circle like this. This is the eye. Now we are gonna draw the nose and lips. So at first what you have to do is let me take another color of pencil. It will help you to make understand. Now you have to draw the forehead like this. This is the forehead. Now we're gonna draw the nose. Make a round circle like this. This is the nose. This is forehead. Now draw a round shape again. This is for lips. Now draw the chin. Like this. Now you have to draw the details. For the nose, you have to just draw like this. Nostrils. This is an easy way to draw side profile view. I know it's tough for you, but day by day it will be easy for you if you keep practicing it. So now what we have to do is here's the lips. Now we are going to fix the eye. Draw eyelashes, then draw the eye. I hope you will find easy to draw it in this way because it's really easy. Now draw the eyebrows. Like this. It's done. Here is the ear. Now all you have to do is just draw the hair. This is the hair. Now draw some earrings, the ear holes at first. Now draw some earrings. Like this. Now just draw the neck, the hand. It's done. So I'm reviewing you again what to do step by step. At first, number one, what you have to do is at first draw a circle like this. Then number two, you have to draw a line like this. Then in third place, what you have to do is draw some lines like this for the nose and mouth. Also draw the ear. For the four, draw the eye. Draw the eye. Yes. Now you have to draw the details. Draw a circle for the nose. Draw a circle for the mouth. Then this is it. Now draw all of this in details and you will get your side profile head. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you have learned how to draw side profile view, and I hope you have learned how to do it and you enjoyed it. So let's see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's meet you in my next video. Bye.